In this exercise on semantic HTML, we will go over video and embed. As demonstrated in the previous exercise, media content can be a useful addition to a website. By using a video element, we can add videos to our websites. The video element makes it clear that a developer is attempting to display a video to the user. So with the video element, we learn that we can add videos to our pages. Some attributes that can alter a video playback include controls. When added in, a play pause button will be added onto the video along with volume control and a full screen option. Autoplay, the attribute which results in a video automatically playing as soon as the page is loaded. And loop attribute, this attribute results in the video continuously playing on repeat. It is just playing the video over and over again. Below is an example of video being used with the controls attribute. And let's see the example. Video with the source, of course, and then controls attribute, video not supported. In the code above, a video file named coding.mp4 is being played. The video not supported will only show up if the browser is unable to display the video. Another tag that can be used to incorporate media content into a page is the embed tag, which can embed any media content, including videos, audio files, and GIFs from an external source. This means that websites that have an embed button have some form of media content that can be added to other websites. The embed tag is a self-closing tag, unlike the video element. Note that embed is a deprecated tag, and other alternatives such as video, audio, and image should be used in its place, but is being taught for legacy purposes. One more HTML tag you can use for embedding media to a page is the iframe HTML tag, so you can check up on that HTML tag too. Below, we will take a look at embed being used in action. And here is the embed tag. In the example above, embed is being used to add in a GIF from a local file known as download.gif. Embed can be used to add local files as well as media content straight from some other websites. So you can also add media from other websites with the embed tag. Let's see the instructions for this exercise. Add the following video URL with the attribute controls and wrap it in an opening and closing video tag. Okay, so right here, in between the opening and closing video tag, you can add a text that will show up if the video is unable to load. This text is helpful for screen readers as well. And you can add video not supported. Let's add the source. And let's add the controls attribute. And now let's save our code. We made a mistake. I pasted the controls tag wrong, so let's delete this, close our source attribute, and now add the controls attribute, and now save our code. And now it is fine. Our video works well. And the second task, add the following GIF into your code using the embed tag and the source attribute. So embed tag, with the source attribute. You see, like in this example right here. and let's save it. And it is correct. Let's see our GIF image, and it is right here. Okay, we added one video and one GIF image to our page using the video tag and embed tag. But like I said, for embedding media to a HTML page, you can also use the Iframe HTML tag, and you can search on that on the web. So let's proceed to the next exercise.